Hi everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. I have a quick card making tutorial, and this one is one that I titled More Than Enough. There are 2 pieces of paper, and I am running a card around the edges just to distress the edges a bit because it makes the paper pop off the page a lot better and plays with the shadow. And then I created this background, kind of a lattice, kind of well, it's a silhouette cut, and so that will go in the background, and I chose to use the exact same color white because I felt that with shadows and stuff that would be an easy contrast there to see without it taking too much center stage, I should say. Obviously you could also replace that with just a normal pattern paper of some sorts, or just run it through an embossing folder in some way. This card will be available as a free cut file on my blog MistyHilltops.com, and so there's lots of free cut files and lots of freebies, so if you're interested you should go and check it out. And this is an A2 card size, just a normal card size there. And for the base, I used a card that I have from the Silhouette Design store, and so I just, without resizing it, it was just there. So that basically is a stamped element that I added to, or sentiment I should say, and that is my card done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.